Kini kedai ke Spine Network jong ke Kasih Jantia Presbyterian Synod Breng. Ke Spine Network kedai ke wei na ke jing terekam jong ke Media Center jong ke Kasih Jantia Presbyterian Synod Breng. Ke Kentin Spine kedai ke jing penyo salang yaki santeli ki alfabet SPINE kiba don ki Kentin kiba kit jingmut ha ke Kentin paring kumni. Synod Breng Initiative to Nurture and Empower. Ke Spine Network kedai ke channel jong ke Kasih Jantia Synod Breng ke banwan ra yaki program kiba pair ha ke social media platform. Ki program kiban ai jing hikai kiban ai mensim kiban penklannya ke jingit kan longru ke rensan bagi kon samla jong ke synod ken saya kisap bekerbang ki bau belai ula penkup lagi bahkan longru ke rensan ban yalap yau Jesus Christ syaka pertai bad ban pendan burom yau belai barong.
The recommendation of the Executive Committee was placed and discussed at the Biennial General Assembly at Chatlang, Mizoram Synod on the 1st to 5th May 2024. The Biennial General Assembly resolved unanimously to grant the Provisional Synod the status of full-fledged synod. The Provisional Synod acquired a plot of land measuring 32,195 square feet at Umpernai, East Kasils, with a purpose to construct the synod office.
Latung yaka Kasih Jantia Synod Breng daka Presbyterian Church of India kom ke Synod Bapura haka praterik u September arja arpusal. Pat kumta kom ke Synod haka jing sedang banyat lenti jongka haka jing syakri yau blai bat yaki bangit nalor pat ki wei ki jing trai jongka kala tau yaki lat pan wan syakmat ban ai yaka jing syakri lengba ke social media ublai unkurku yaka Synod Breng haka jing trai jongka bada ke jing syakri ke jongka yau blai bada ke gospel uji sukris ublai unkurku yaka Synod Breng badu blai unkurku yapi baro ki bepet pat ki bakmi yaka Spine Network kublai shibu.